A very good afternoon, my dear students. So today we are going to start your topic temperature. This is the last physical quantity that we are going to do in this chapter 2. Temperature is a measure of degree of hotness or coolness of any object. So whenever we are measuring the hotness or coolness of an object, we define that term as temperature. So whenever we are touching any hot object, we will feel heat, and whenever we are touching a cold object, we will feel cool. So this is because the heat flows from the body at high temperature to the body at low temperature. Now moving to the units, the SI unit is Kelvin, whose symbol is capital K, and the other units are degree Celsius, or we also call it as degree centigrade, which is denoted by degree C, and the other unit is degree Fahrenheit, which is denoted by degree F. You have to note that Kelvin is never written as degree K or degree Kelvin. Okay. So next is the devices to measure temperature. The device to measure temperature is thermometer only, and we are having two kinds of thermometer: laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. Laboratory thermometers are the thermometers which are used in the laboratories to measure the temperature of different substances as well as the liquids. It can be any solution, it can be water, it can be something else. Okay. Then clinical thermometer is a thermometer which is used by the doctors to measure the temperature of patient's body. So this is a special kind of thermometer which is used to measure a person's temperature, body temperature of any patient or any other person. So first is laboratory thermometer. Here you can see the diagram. In the diagram, this is the bulb which contains the mercury, and this mercury rises to different levels in the capillary tube. So there is a glass capillary tube which is filled with mercury at one end, and it is having bulb at one end, and this bulb is filled with mercury, and the mercury will rise or fall in this capillary tube. This long part beta, this is called the stem, and this stem is having the marking from minus 10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. This is the zero mark. It is at the level of mercury in the capillary tube when this bulb of this thermometer is placed in melted ice. So when we are putting the bulb of this thermometer in the melted ice, the mercury will rise to 0 degree Celsius. So this is the zero mark. This is also called the ice point. And when this bulb of the thermometer is placed in boiling water, then this mercury will rise to the level of 100 degree Celsius. So that will be the steam point of this Celsius scale. And you can see that this 0 and 100 degree, all these readings, all these markings from 0 to 100 are divided into 100 equal divisions, and each division is called as degree. Now next we are having clinical thermometer. Here you can see the diagram of clinical thermometer. It is used by the doctors to measure the patient's body temperature. And here also in the bulb we are having mercury, which will rise or fall depending upon the temperature of that particular substance. But see the difference. There is the constriction, there is a slight bend, there is a slight kink, and this slight bend is called constriction. What is the purpose of this constriction? It will prevent the mercury from falling back all by itself. So if we are measuring the temperature of any person, then the mercury will rise up, and this constriction will prevent that mercury to fall down by itself. So if we want to make that mercury fall, we have to slightly jerk the thermometer like this. We can slightly jerk, and then the level of mercury will come down. But It will not come down by itself. We have to jerk it. Then the temperature of a healthy body is 37 degrees Celsius, which is marked by a red arrow. So here you can see this is a red arrow, which is the temperature of a healthy body. So if you are healthy, your body temperature should be 37 degrees Celsius. If it is less or more, if it is more, it means you are having fever. And next we are having that we can also measure the temperature of person's body, that is clinical thermometers are also available in Fahrenheit scale, and it is having marking from 95 degree Fahrenheit to 100 degree Fahrenheit. And here the red mark will be at 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So the temperatures of person's body who's healthy is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.